to create multiple folders in Google Drive using Google Sheets and Google AppsCript. If you often need to organize files in bulk, this is a real time saver. Let's get into it. First, open up Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. In the first column, let's enter the names of all the folders you want to create in Google Drive. Make sure that each folder name is in its own row, starting from A2. A simple list like this will work perfectly. Now, we're going to write a simple script to automate the folder creation. To do this, go to the Extensions menu at the top of the screen, then select AppsCript. This will open up the script editor, where we can write the code that will do all the heavy lifting for us. Once the editor opens, we're going to write a simple script to loop through the folder names in the sheet and create a folder in Google Drive for each one. Here's the script you need to use. Comment code to get the code. Now that the script is ready, click the Save button. You can give your project a name like Folder Creation. Then, click the Play button to run the script. The first time you do this, Google will ask for permissions to access your drive. Go ahead and authorize it. Once authorized, the script will run and automatically. Now, let's head over to Google Drive and check if the folders were created. As you can see, each folder from our list has been created in just a few seconds. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You've just created multiple folders in Google Drive using Google Sheets and AppsCript. I hope this tutorial saved you some time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.